Hello and welcome to today's lecture on the horse racing handicapping system. In horse racing, the handicap system is regularly used to try and give all horses that race in a handicap race a fair chance at winning. In short, the better the horse, the higher the handicap rating and the heavier weight they will have to carry. I will try to give you an overview of how the handicapping system works in the UK. To start with, let's separate the difference between the flat and the jumps. Flat ratings start as low as 46 and go up to beyond 100, whereas over jumps, normally the bottom rated horse will be rated around 74, extending up to the high 160s. This doesn't mean that horses can't have a rating below 46 or 74 respectively. However, it might mean that they are out of the weight if they race in a bottom graded race and the top horse declares. In a handicap, the horse with the highest rating will carry 12 stone and the horse with the over jumps and the horse with the lowest rating will carry 10 stone 2. In between 10 stone 2 and up to 12 stone, for every handicap point that's higher, and they will carry an extra pound. If a horse is out of the weights, for example, in a 0 to 100 handicap, a horse rated 96 is the highest rated horse in that race rated band. The 96 horse will now have to carry 12 stone. And now a horse that would normally be out of the weight because it's only rated 70, the weights have gone up £4. It will now race off the minimum weight of 10 stone 2. How does a horse get a handicap mark and what makes the mark change? So over jumps, a horse must race in at least 3 novice races so the handicapper can see the horse in action and can take a calculated guess as to the horse's ability. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. If a horse wins or gets placed, it may be that the handicapper gives it a rating after just 2 runs, whereas if a horse pulls up, falls or unseats in its first 3 races, the horse may have to run 4 times before it can get a rating. A horse's handicap is likely to change after every single race it runs in. If it runs well, it is likely to get an increase in its rating. If it runs poorly, it's likely to get a decrease in its rating.